What's going on YouTube? Tony here with the iPhone SE. I did update it to iOS 14. So I want to go ahead and show you guys that. If I go into General, hit Software Update, you can see that I am on iOS 14 Beta 1. So it's definitely the first beta. I've been using it for actually like 3 days now. And it's pretty stable. I haven't noticed anything that's not working like before on iOS 13. Some of my banking apps weren't working. Apple Pay was kind of not working. But with this one here, everything's been it's been great so far. I got Wi-Fi connectivity is on point. Bluetooth is on point. LTE is definitely also on point. So yeah, you can see here some of the widgets that we have here that I have installed on here. You got the widgets page here, and you can flip through this one. Pretty nice. And I have moved my widgets a little bit into my home screen, and then I took them off. I kind of just like my stuff front and center. And if you swipe over again, we got the app library, which holds everything. This is pretty cool, man. I actually like this setup right here, the way Apple put everything. They organized everything into their own categories, and I think it's pretty cool. And if you happen to need something that you can't see there, you can just type it in. Everything's in alphabetical order. These are all the apps that I have installed. The battery life on this beta has been excellent, man. I'm still getting, I would say, the same battery life that I was getting on iOS 13. I haven't dug too deep into the settings here, but we'll jump into settings real quick. One of the things that I noticed that I couldn't find on the iPhone SE 2020 was the what is it called? BackTap. There's an option where you can BackTap on iOS 14. I don't know if it's coming. Maybe it'll come. It'll release when iOS 14 is ready. But right now on this first beta, if you go into accessibility, down into touch, and it's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here down at the bottom. BackTap, and it's not. So one of the features that I was kind of anticipating to check out on iOS 14, but it's not here. But overall, pretty stable to me, man. I would definitely still not recommend it as a daily driver because, once again, it is a beta. But when the public beta comes out, I'd say give it a shot. So far, it's been great. I still haven't updated my Apple Watch. I'm still rocking an Apple Watch. I probably won't do that yet, but I'm really enjoying it. Easy to move your apps in here. You can just long press one of those widgets, and then you can edit home screen, and you can just move it right over to your home screen there. Put it anywhere you want. It's pretty cool, man. I like that. And this one here is the one that you can actually switch. I forget what they're calling it, but you can switch through it. Pretty nice. Yeah, iOS 14 on my iPhone SE 2020 has been working great. If you guys have any questions, what you want to see on this beta version, just drop a comment and I'll try to answer your questions best I could. I always respond to all my comments. But just a heads up, man, this is one of the best betas I've tried so far. It's pretty stable in my opinion. I do have this icon on my settings, and I've searched everywhere. I don't know what it is, but yeah, check it out. iOS 14. It's pretty nice. Works great on the iPhone SE 2020. Like I said, I just wish that BackTap feature was here. I don't see it. If you guys know where it's at, maybe I'm missing it, drop a comment. Catch you guys on the next one. We out. Peace.